sleep. I'll check in and find the rooms. And also, I'm sure all of you are hungry, so you want to find so we can get some lunch at the hotel.
So welcome to the back of the Drifter's truck. I'm going to give you a little bit of a breakdown of how everything works here in the back. As you can see, if you look right in the front, you've got a beautiful almost 360-degree panoramic view over here. In Africa, you're looking at wild animals, you're looking at the beautiful landscape of Namibia. This is where the passengers, all of them sit. All 16 passengers sit here in the back. Sometimes we fit one passenger in the front. So over here we've got a charging station. So people normally put their cameras, their cell phones, iPads, iPods, they all charge it over here once the truck is moving. If the sun comes up through this window, then you've got the sun visors that come down. These windows, they're very easy to drop down. You can set it at any elevation that you like. You only put 16 seats here in the back. You can see there's a lot of leg room. As you can see, there's a few blankets hanging around because this is winter in Namibia, and obviously it does get a little bit cold here at night, so we don't want people to get hypothermia, so we provide them with a few blankets just to make them nice and cozy. If people have got an aux cable, they can plug in the aux cable over there, play music through the system, as you can see with the speakers over there. Okay, so coming a little bit towards the back, our custom-made fridge over here, it goes to about -14, -15 degrees. So when you open this up, you've got storage space for almost everything. A few nice little goodies for the people to snack on. A lot of people put their drinks here at the bottom, beers, wine. Take about 16 to 17 people. Each person will have their own locker space to put in quite a few pieces of luggage. So as you can see, this is my own personal book collection. There's books about Namibia, books about Botswana, and then also a lot of few other interesting reading books. Anyway, getting out to the back just to show you where your tents and stretches and everything are. So standard Drifter's tent. And then probably one of the most fascinating features about the truck is our kitchen. Not one other company that I know of has got a kitchen that looks like this, and often you do get people coming to the truck while they're busy making food and they're having a look at the kitchen just because it's so unique, and it's also custom built by our own workshop in Johannesburg. So just to give you a quick little view of the kitchen, pull these doors out for your sauces. It's for after the cooking. Cleaning. Quite a nice big storage space over here. Cereals, spice box, stuff like dry stores. Always coffee and tea and sugar on board, so whenever people feel like making themselves a cup of tea, a cup of coffee. Standard Drifter's plate, so breakfast bowls, your coffee mugs, cooking and so on. Normal pots, pans, making pancakes, omelets, scrambled eggs, kettle. As you can see, it's been well used already. Some of the roads that we do take is quite muddy or maybe sandy. If the truck does get stuck, take the two poles and jam it in between the two back tires over there. It just gives you a bit of extra added traction just to help you get out of the mud in this sticky situation. Okay.